Hello everybody, this is Newton Obvious 28 here. We're reporting live from the very empty Junction One outlet centre in Antrim. And it just so appears, sorry I'm shaking here, Mountain Warehouse is relocating for the third time. This is only, well, I'm not sure how long it's been in Antrim for, but it's been in this site here since 2015. Used to be like away over there somewhere. It looks like Golf Nation are going as well. You can see there's the inside of Mountain Warehouse. Looks like Golf Nation is relocating. Or it already did relocate. What other shops are gone? Tom Tailor over there. Hallmark have moved. A new Skechers opened over there in late 2021. There was the old M&S, which closed in April 2019. Oh, there's loads of... Oh wait, Klass is gone as well. It was there since 2004. Julian Charles is gone as well. Oh my god. Quiz has been gone for a while. You should just see how empty this place is. That's where Toys Plus used to be, which was a toy store which didn't do very well. Bon Marché used to be in there. My god. Bags, etc. used to be there. There's Quiz. Again, there's Claire's, which is still open. Card Factory, still open. Chapelle, which was a jeweller's, used to be here. This isn't goodbye. Well, what is it then? Are you just gonna stay derelict for the rest of your life? Probably. This is where Bose and Toy Town and Holland and Barrett used to be. Right there. They all closed. Aye, Dobby's is gonna be here. The Works is there. It's still open. This place is not great looking, I tell you this. Oh yeah, Hallmark and Denby moves right here. There used to be a furniture shop there, but it closed. There's the site for Dobby's. Take a look here. Still open, closed, moved, and it's moving. Ugh. There's Denby there. Hallmark Outlet. Pavers. And I don't know what that is there. There's Hope 365, forgot to mention that. Regatta. The new Pavers. The Entertainer. This used to be... No, sorry, that there used to be Clark's. That closed in 2018. It was only there for 16 odd years. The Entertainer, which hasn't been here too long. Beauty Outlet. Hasn't been too long there either. Craig Hoppers, Regatta, Trespass, all haven't been here for too long. That used to be Reebok, I remember that. And this is Next Clearance, which has been here since the retail park opened in 2004. I think it was the 31st of May 2004 it opened. And of course, you can see many other wee shops here. If I go around here, we can see Skechers, Costa Coffee, a closed Antler, which is just to the left of Skechers, and yeah, we see Trespass yet again, Starbucks, Singe and Burn, formerly O'Brien's. Well, they were bought over by Singe and Burn in around May or June 2021. The derelict Intersport wasn't open for too long. It used to be Adidas as well, which was there for quite a long time. Then Tom Tailor, then of course Subway and all that's over there. This is all part for my 400 subscriber special. As you can see, there's Omniplex, B&M, Poundland and Nike as well, and many others. Well, that's it for today's video. This is for my 400 subscriber special. It wasn't really a video I was quite expecting to make, but at least we managed to. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.